Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your Odoo website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. Then, create a new lead generation tool. Select Embed on Site and choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your Odoo editor. Look for Plus Blocks button here, then scroll down in the options. You'll need to choose Embed Code. Now, drag this block and place it in the section where you want it on your website. You'll now see this new block added to your page. Double-click to edit it. You'll see a green Edit button. Click it to open the Embed Code box. Delete all the existing code inside, then paste the link you copied for your lead generator. Click Save. You'll see your lead generator appear live on the website. You can continue to adjust the placement if you like. When you're finished, click Save in the top right corner to publish your changes for visitors. Camera access is supported on Odoo. Visitors can take a photo directly. To make it work, your iframe must include the permission. Allow camera. And that's it. Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your Odoo site, ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.